Hey, it's Andy here. Welcome to the workshop. This online course is designed for users looking to dive into CNCing for the first time. Follow along in this course from start to finish, and we'll cover everything you need to know from getting your machine set up to starting your first project. Please note that this course covers just a small portion of our overall resources. If you're looking to find more advanced tutorials, instructions, project files, and more, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and our online web resources for more information. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help you be successful in your CNC journey. So let's get started. First, we'll be talking about what is a CNC machine. The first place to start our discussion is to break down the acronym CNC. CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control. As the name implies, a CNC machine is a device controlled by a computer, but more specifically, numeric code. We typically call this code G-code. When our computer sends a line of G-code to a CNC machine, the machine is then instructed to move in a certain way. By stringing many lines of code together, we can make our machines do the same accurate and repeated motions over and over again. The same technology is used for machines like 3D printers, all the way to huge industrial machines that make airplane parts. In the case of the long mill, we have a computer connected to a control board which sends commands. The control board then translates those commands into a series of movements that the machine executes. You can see here, I can send single lines of commands of G-code to command the movement of the machine. While this may seem a little bit complicated, with modern technology, G-code programs can be made using computer-aided manufacturing software, or CAM software for short. CAM software can take 2D and 3D designs to automatically generate the G-code. And all this together lets CNC machines like the long mill make precise and accurate movements to carve all sorts of amazing projects. The main benefit of having a CNC machine is that it can cut and carve materials repeatedly over and over again at a press of a button. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is what sort of equipment you need to get started in your CNC journey.